Hello friends, welcome to Geometry 2.0 YouTube channel. Okay, so today we'll go to discuss about Electrical Licensing Board of Odisha. Okay, ELBO exam 2019. Okay, basically you will get a license through two modes. So one is electrical lineman and wireman license directly if you have ITI qualification, and another one is your supervisor competency certificate license, which you will get if you have qualification of diploma, okay, and some kind of experience also. So today we have to discuss about paper 1 exam, okay, paper 1 and paper 2 of SSC MB exam 2019. Okay, so let's one is here the auxiliary electrode to be measured. Earth resistance of an earth electrode are to be placed at 15 meter and 30 meters. Okay, option A is correct. Okay, this is your E, P and C. Okay, so E to P distance is your 15 and E to C distance is your 30 meters. Okay, next is minimum value of current above which it passes through the human body can cause danger. This answer is 9 milliampere actual answer, but not available 9 milliampere answer, so you choose the 5 milliampere answer. Next is the fuse where rating should be decided taking dash times of continuous current. This is your 1.5 times. Okay, next is in house wiring the switches are to be used to control the phase wear. Okay, incandescent lamp, LED, fluorescent lamps have their lumen output per watt, okay, in the descending order. Okay, so you have to just adjust these three lamps in form of descending order. LED has the highest lumens per output, so LED taken the first, next is fluorescent, next is last one is your incandescent lamp. Okay, next is specific resistances of a wire depends upon its material. Auto transformer efficiency is almost more than two winding transformer of same capacity and voltage ratio. You all of you know it. Three capacitors of value 2 Faraday, 3 Faraday, 5 Faraday are connected in parallel. Okay, they are combined effective capacitance. Simply add these three values, okay, and you will get 10 Faraday. Service connection to a consumer is generally given not exceeding 100 meters from the distribution mains. Okay, this is not exact answer, but you can say because you can given serviceman around 1 kilometer. Okay, next is the supply frequency to a consumer should within supply frequency tolerance limit is plus minus 3%. Due to leakage flux the stray losses occurs in all of these. Okay, the transformer primary winding, secondary winding and tank. Next come to the next question. Halon is used as extinguisher for all of these above. Okay, to reduce the value of earth resistance of electrode we should not increase the diameter of the earth electrode. Which of the following type of power station can be used as base load station? Okay, you choose your purely run off river hydro station, and these all are for peak load. Okay, in 3-pin socket with one phase supply the phase is kept on the right side. The losses that occurs in cable are all types of losses occurs in cable, all of these. Lamp efficiency, the ratio of luminous flux to power input. Dielectric heating is possible for heating insulating materials. Sterilization of bandage, absorbent curtain sterilized gas are done by dielectric heating. When a squirrel cage induction motor runs at 1/7 of synchronous speed, then it is called crawling. Okay, this is very easy questions. The domestic fan motors are single phase permanent capacitor start and run motor. You all of you know it in fan, in your domestic ceiling fan. Okay, so capacitor is permanently connected. Next is capacitor opposes the change in voltage. Two capacitors of capacitance 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad in series will have total capacitance. You will find 3 into 6 upon 3 plus 6. Answer is your 2 microfarad. If the specific gravity of electrolyte lead in acid cell increases, internal resistance also increases. Capacity of storage battery is ampere hours. In alternating current is converted to direct current, okay, with the help of rectifier. An electric bulb 220 volt 50 Hz AC is connected to 220 volt AC 5 Hz AC source, and then the bulb will glows intermittently, because while in 50 Hz in 1 second the cycle was in 50 times, but in cases of 5 Hz this is your 5 times in 1 second. So bulbs will close intermittently, one times glow, another time it will goes to dim. Okay, the wattmeter indicates your active power. Okay, The advantages of star connected supply system is there two levels of voltage you can achieve. Okay, one is your line voltage, another one is your phase voltage. Next is the meter constant of an energy meter is 1500 upon kilowatt hour, then it makes 3000 revolution. Then energy consumed is 2 kilowatt hour. Okay, the direction of split phase induction motor can be reversed by interchanging the connection of supply either main or starting winding. You all of you know it. The starter of an alternator is wound for the same number of pole. Okay. Next question, 33. In a synchronous generator, if high is the flux per pole, then the F is the supply frequency, then EMF induced directly proportional to flux and frequency. Which one of the following can be called as integrating instrument? Energy meter. For low head and large discharge, hydro turbine is used your Kaplan. Okay, and for high head low discharge, this is your Pelton turbine, and for medium head medium flow, this is your Francis turbine, and Francis turbine is also widely used turbine. Okay, which one of the following plant will take the least time in starting from cold condition to full load condition? This is your hydroelectric plant. Okay, in overhead transmission line, sec depends upon all of these, because all of you know that WL square upon 8T is the sec formulas. Okay, so T is for tension, this is the weight of the conductor, this is length. Next is an overhead line, the wind acts as horizontally. Okay, in string suspension insulator, voltage across the disc nearest to the conductor is maximum. Insulator may fall due to flashover. Okay, next is ACSR conductor having 70 aluminum conductor and 6 steel conductor will be specified as 70 upon 6. The loads on 3-phase forward distributor are usually unbalanced. Okay, due to neutral present. Which portion of the power system is least prone to fault? This is alternator. Okay, an isolator is designed to open a circuit breaker in under no load. Okay, so isolator is also called as offload switch. Next question, the most dangerous fault in alternator is your starter winding faults. Guard wire are placed below the line conductors. Okay, while crossing the road. Okay, so guard wire is present. Okay, differential relay are used to protect the equipment against internal fault. This is also Morse price system of fault calculation. A surge diverter should be located close to the apparatus to be protected. All of you know it. Under voltage relay are mostly used for motors. Okay, because if a motor under voltage will be occurred, okay, then it will draw very high current. So motor protection purposes, voltage under voltage relay is provided. Next is a single phase transformer when supplied from 220 volt 50 Hz has eddy current losses of 50 watt. If the transformer is connected to a voltage of 330 volt 50 Hz, the eddy current losses will be. So friend, you just see here 220 volt cases losses is 50 watt, and for 330 volt cases this is you just take as X. Okay, and you all of you know that eddy current loss formula is KE F square maximum flux density Bmax square and T square. Okay, per phase. So frequency and voltage are directly proportional. Okay, so you just square it 220 upon 330 square, that equals to 50 upon X. So put find out value of X, you will find B as answer. Okay, what is the load at which maximum efficiency occur? Okay, so you just calculate the load here. Okay, this is your task. If you cannot, then just comment me. Okay, next is in an auto transformer, power is transferred through, this is through both conduction and induction processes. Okay, sludge formation in transformer oil is due to which of the following? Answer is oxidation of transformer oil. Which one of the following statement is correct? If a motor air gap is increased, then the power factor will reduce. What is switch gear? Option number D is correct, that it detects fault and correct the fault, and switching, controlling and protecting. So next is question number 56. Which device sends the information to the circuit breaker to interrupt the circuit? Okay, answer is relay. In HRC fuse, what is the time between cutoff and final current 0? Yes, answer is arcing time. Earth tester operates on DC only. Okay, due to rectifier present in earth tester. The effect of electric shock in the human body depends upon current flowing in the body. Siemens is the unit of measuring conductance. Okay, next is the practical unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Then if you will convert it into joule, okay, so you will find 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. The most common generation voltage in India is 11 kV. All of you know it. The transformer that have the largest size, okay, this is one kind of repeated question. The smallest frequency will have the largest size, okay. So option number A is correct. There are two transformer regulation, one is 5%, another in is your 95%, and the better regulation is your first one, 5%, okay. An induction motor when started on load does not accelerate up to full speed, okay, that it runs in 1/7 of the rated speed, then this is known as your crawling, okay. Next, the owner of every installation voltage exceeding 250 volt, okay, that have to put one kind of danger notice. This is based upon the regulation number 18, okay. This is Central Electrical Agency, okay, Act 2010. I have already given the data in description link, okay. You can download the PDF also for more. Next is in accordance with the CEA, suitable isolating device at the point of commencement of supply. This answer will be 1.70. Next is ELCB, the setting maximum earth leakage threshold limit, okay, for tripping. This is for domestic connection is 30 milliampere, and for other installation this is 100 milliampere, okay. You all the answer you can find from that document also, okay. The stay insulator in the stay wire shall be at a height of at least 2.5 meters from the ground, okay. The cross sectional area of earthing conductor, this is your 0.4 square meter, okay. The dielectric strength of air under normal condition is 30 kV upon cm. If the diameter of metal wire of a given length is doubled, then resistances will be 1/4 time. The Fleming's Repton rule, the thumb always represents the direction of the motion, which is your mechanical force, and your magnetic field is the forefinger, and the middle finger indicates the direction of current, okay. Next is when an electric current is passed through a bucket of water, okay, then the bubbling is there, then the electric current is DC, because in DC there are presence of positive and negative, okay. So bubbling forms, okay. A tape changer is used to on a transformer for adjustment of the secondary voltage, okay. The noise in transformer due to vibration of laminations, this is set by magnetic forces, is called your humming noise. Next is the efficiency of transformer compared with an electric motor, okay. You all of you know in electric motor there are rotational parts, okay. So losses is more here, hence the efficiency is less as compared to transformer. So transformer has the much higher efficiency than motor, okay. So transformer is provided with a 3 independent secondary voltages, so this one is higher, so taken higher. Which part of the transformer is subjected to maximum heating? Answer will be winding, okay. The winding, more heat produced in winding. Next is photovoltaic cell produces electric energy from electromagnetic energy, that from sun, okay. The light energy is radiated, okay. Then a photovoltaic cell that converts from that electromagnetic energy into electric energy. Wind energy is all of you know this is very clean, okay, higher cost, and develops power that is proportional to the power of the wind. So answer will be the all of the above. Next is load factor is defined as average demand upon maximum demand, okay. So next one is your 83, okay. That concrete poles are used because of their longer life and less maintenance cost. So answer is both A and B, okay. Guy is fastened to a pole, okay. So if this is pole, okay, so one guy wire is present here, okay, that is to strengthen the pole, okay. 1 picofarad is equals to 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Megger is used for measurement of very high resistance, and the reactive power can be calculated in kVA sin phi, okay. So safe value of current carrying capacity of cable is determined by the maximum temperature. Next is 89, okay. The holes on the aluminum disc is in an energy meter that helps to prevent creeping, okay. So basically all of you know that creeping is nothing but the aluminum disc rotates even if no load is there, okay. The body resistance value of person normal age and health is about 1 kilo ohm. Maximum interval, okay, so of supports for overhead line of voltage not exceeding 650 volt. This is you can say 72 meters, okay. Next is which of the following motor is mostly used for driving a refrigerator? This is capacitor start induction run motor. For protection of persons from the risks of electrocution in domestic wiring system, a device is provided. This is ELCB. ACSR stand for aluminum conductor steel reinforced. Okay. Next is the maximum permissible load of lighting sub circuit is 800 watt. Next is when the overload low tension line passes the adjacent to the building, the horizontal clearances must not less than 1.2 meters. The inner tube of higher mercury pressure mercury vapor lamp. Okay, this is in argon gas. Next is a tube lamp circuit meant for 220 volt AC supply. Okay, and now it is connected to DC supply. Then what is the consequences? So the consequences will be the lamp initially starts and then tube burns out. Okay, but if this is incandescent lamp, then it may glow. Okay. Next is according to National Electric Code. Okay, what should be the minimum acceptable value of IR? Okay, for domestic installation, this is not less than 1 mega ohm. Answer is option number D. Next is instrument transformers are used on AC circuit for extending the range of all of these above. Okay, so friends, just paper 1 is almost complete. Okay, so now just I will show you the portion of paper 2 part. Okay, not analyzing details. Okay, so just see friend how the questions in paper 2. Okay, this is paper 2. Okay, full mark is 100 and time limits also 2 hours. Okay, there are total group A and group B. In group A you have to answer any 3 question. Okay, so just see the question, and if possible you can take a screenshot also. And now just see the group B type question, answer any 10 question. Okay, so there are total question is almost up to 20. Okay, so you just see from these 20 question you have to choose just 7 questions. Okay, so this is your total 20 questions. Okay, and between these 20 question you have to choose your total 10 questions. Okay, so friend, this was the paper analysis of Electrical Licensing Board of Odisha. Okay, and this will also helpful for all kind of Odisha government exam in electrical field. Okay, so just see this video. Okay, so if any doubt you may comment me. So thank you friends.